everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video, y'all. What's up to my MVP riders? Shout out to y'all. Thank you for always supporting your girl with anything I post: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, maybe soon a sip and chat. I don't know. But thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always leaving comments. Because of you, I keep posting. Thank you, thank you, thank you, MVP writers, for always supporting your girl. I truly do appreciate it. But today, this video is gonna be on, I don't know if I should call this like a hack, or is it just an item that you could use to organize your Bath and Body Works products, or whatever it is that you want to organize, you want to put in order because you got stuff scattered around like. So this item right here, let's get into it. I got this from Aldi. Oh my goodness. And y'all probably seen this in two of my videos. The first video was when I did my Halloween haul. It was actually in the back seat. I didn't show it, but I got this one on that day. I think that was about a week ago. But yeah, and then I got another one in my last Aldi video that I post. So yeah, I got this from Aldi, and as you do see, this is a 3-tier wooden box planter. Yes, y'all. The box is so big. There we go. That's what it looks like. The box is so huge, y'all. I don't even know if I'm getting the whole thing in it because you can't even see me. And I took a couple of notes. Because just because that's what I do. Like I said, it's a wooden box, 3-tier, 27 by 16 by 45 inches. It holds a maximum of 60 pounds per box. Comes in the gray as well as the natural / tan wood color. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that raw wood color. It comes in that as well. Like I did say, you can customize this item. You could spray paint it, you could use regular paint, you could stencil it, you could put like that contact paper stuff on it to make it however you want to make it. You do not have to keep this plain. You customize it the way you want it. The regular price at Aldi's, this item was $50, but I did find it on clearance. The gray one, I paid $20 for, which I think it was supposed to be marked down at the time, but that store had it marked for $20 because it was an item that I really wanted, and it was already marked down. What was that? Not 50%, but close to 50%. So I said, why not? Why not? I think that's almost like 60%, I think. I don't know. But it was $20. The second one I found, which was the tan one, the natural color one, I found that one not too long ago, of course at Aldi, for $12.50. Cannot beat it. So if you could find this item in your store, I highly recommend it because it's good. Now, it only took me like maybe 20 to 30 minutes to put it together. It was super easy. It comes with instructions, all of that. Only thing you will need is like a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and that's basically it. So it do take like 20 to 30 minutes to put together. It's not, like I said, it's not hard at all. And the amazing part about this box is the fact that it holds so much stuff. Yes, it's made to hold flowers, but it also can hold product. So I was testing it. Fine fragrance mist. This box holds 39 to 40 fine fragrance mists. So if you like me, well, I'm sure a lot of people got way more than me because I don't really buy a lot of the Bath and Body Works body care, but it holds 40 fine fragrance mists. I'm just saying. Also, as far as 3 wick candles, it holds 24. You can stack them 4 rows high. I don't recommend you do that because you got to keep in mind that these candles weigh almost a pound. The unit only holds 66 pounds per box. And then I also highly recommend you, if you want to store candles on this, store it at the bottom the bottom box, not the top or the middle one, just because of the weight of the candles. And I highly recommend, if you do, that you only do 2 rows. That's only 12 candles. I'm just saying, that's what I recommend, just because of the weight of it. You know, if you want to add more candles, then I would say you probably will want to kind of secure that bottom a little bit more so it could hold that weight. But I personally, I wouldn't do it. I would just only do I would only do 12 candles. As far as the single wicks, it holds like 64 single wicks, and that is stacking them 4 rows high. Again, I don't recommend that because you got to consider the weight. 2 candles is a pound, because I think those single wicks is like 8 ounces, I think. Either 8 or 6 ounces, but 2 single wick candles is almost a pound. I'm just saying. So I personally wouldn't do it. I will only do like maybe 1 or 2 rows high, because you got to also remember, unless you put some kind of slip proof material in between the candles, they're probably going to slide a little bit. So if you know you don't want your candles broke, I will not go 4 rows high. I will only do maybe 2 rows high. And like, again, I keep saying, also keep in mind the weight. As far as hand soaps, the hand soaps, it holds 32 soaps. Now in the clip you see I have the foam soap as well as the gel soap. And that one, it was 22 foam soaps and 10 gel soaps. If you just want to do all of the gel soaps, I'm assuming and guessing that maybe 30, it will hold maybe 30 of them. I don't really have a whole lot of gel soaps at all, but that's what it holds. So as you do see, this box is amazing, and it's not just for flowers or plants or being outside. You could customize this box any way you want. I'm thinking about putting like some little stencil work on mine, or either I'm gonna try to do like a marble look on it. I was thinking about that, but I'm not sure. But for right now, I'm just keeping it just plain the way I got it. Like I said, I got it in the gray. I thought it would match my walls, but the gray, the 2 grays is like totally different. So yeah, so I just really wanted to come in and talk about this box because it's something that I thought was amazing. And you know, I know we all have a lot of body care as well as candles, and everybody is trying to find a way to store those items. Why not think outside the box? So yeah, I'm always trying to figure out a way to store my products. I look blurry. I'm sorry if it's coming out a little blurry, y'all, but for some reason my camera is acting up, and I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because I got a white shirt on now. I normally don't wear a white shirt, but I don't know. So yeah, I'm always trying to find a way to store my products, especially in this little small room. So I'm always trying to find something like a space saver item. This thing most definitely save on space. No, it doesn't sit like super close to the wall. That's the only thing I don't like about it, because of the way the feet is. It's away from the wall a little bit, but it's not a big deal. Trust and believe, I could figure out something to put behind this planter box. I don't even think I'm gonna call it a planter box, but this organized box, or this storage. That's this 3-tier storage box. I'm sure I could had to think of what I wanted to say, what I want to call it. I'm just saying. But this 3-tier storage box, I'm sure I could find something to go behind it, because it is probably away from the wall, maybe about 6 inches maybe, but it's not a big deal for me because it's next to my closet. Is next to my wicker pineapple thing, so I don't even really walk that close to the wall, no way. So it's not a big deal. But so far I'm really enjoying having my products right here, and these are all the products that I'm using like now. I'm not storing stuff in there that like the collectible stuff. You know, I have that stored downstairs. You know, most of the stuff that's in this 3-tier box is stuff that I'm going to use. That's, you know, that's in rotation to be used. Besides the fine fragrance mist, you know, with that, you know, you kind of pick what you want to wear every day. So it's good to have that available if I choose to wear one of them. So with that being said, I'm really enjoying this. I feel like I'm going to use my products more. I could see the items that I want to use, you know, when I need a different body wash, you know, I don't have to run downstairs. You know, I could store, you know, maybe 5 or 6 of them up here. Y'all know I love the body butter, so I change my body butter up probably once a week. I use a different one, probably more than that. So normally I'm using between maybe 3 different body butters depending on how I feel. So I will store those inside of my 3-tier box. I love bar soap. I'm keeping all my bar soap at the bottom. You know, I do have a number of soaps that I love. I'm not a huge fan of Bath and Body Works bar soap, even though I do have some. So I do have those stored in here as well. And that's really it. You know, I think this is really going to help me out with using more of my body care products without having to, you know, without the headache, trying to figure out, do I have this? Do I have that? If it's something that I want to put into my rotation, I most definitely will just sit it on the storage box or in the storage boxes. So like I said, if you could find this at Aldi, I highly recommend it. You know, if you have like a beauty room or some room that you normally store your products and you just want to organize a little bit better, I highly recommend this. You do not have to use this for flowers. It's just storage, you know what I'm saying? So I highly recommend it. And then if you could find it for the $12.50, is a steal. Regular price $50. So if you could find it for the $12.50, and I think that's what, 75% off maybe, I believe. So that's a win, right? Yeah, 75% off. That's 75% off. So to me, that's a steal. That's a steal. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here and tell y'all about this planner box. I know I spoke of it in my last video, in my Aldi haul, and I'm sure y'all was like, okay, what you using it for? Or how you going to use it? Or can we see, you know, the actual thing? So yeah, I just wanted to come in here and talk about this planner box. And if you grab one of these and you don't know what to do with it, here you go. Here's an idea. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Let me know, have you seen these planter boxes inside of your Aldi? Or they on clearance or for either $12 or either $20? I do not recommend paying $50 for this. No. I'm just saying, Aldi has been marking a lot of stuff down, and I'm sure if you wait a little bit, if your store haven't marked this down, if you wait a little bit, I'm sure you could get it for either the $20 or the $12.50 price, because I don't think nobody buying them. I'm just saying. I was able to get 2. So yeah, leave that down in the comments. Thumbs up the video, hit the notification bell, follow me on all of my social media platforms, use or follow my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. All that stuff do help. Sorry about the glare on the glasses. As y'all do see, I did grab some new glasses. Y'all know these are readers. These are my grannies. These are what I call my grannies. These are readers. I broke the other ones. So I had to get some more, because y'all know your girl be, my vision ain't what it used to be. I'm just saying. It's also, y'all, it's almost Virgo season. It's almost Virgo season. It's almost Virgo. I'm gonna X that out. So yeah, do all those things. All those things do help my channel, and I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.